Hello everyone, my name is Marcos and today we're gonna be trying Nishman Aqua Wax No. 9. Stay tuned for more tips.
Caught in a landslide, lost underground.
Nishman Aqua Wax No. 9 with a special cola fragrance. It will create long-lasting styles with medium shine and compact look.
Come close to midnight, he'll fade me down.
Thank you for choosing Nishman products. Stay tuned for more tips and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Now would you